Physical states. When you do a reaction, there will often be a little parenthesis S, G, A, Q, or L right after a chemical formula within the reaction. These should not be confusing. They're very straightforward. It just tells you the physical state of the thing while the reaction is going on. S stands for solid, G for gas, AQ for aqueous. That's the one you probably don't know how to spell, so I'll spell it real big for you to see. And L, not I, but L, for liquid. So all this means is, if we have some examples, if we have the top example here, hydrogen with oxygen making water, you'll notice that those all have little G's. That's simply saying that the hydrogen is in the gas form, oxygen is in the gas form, and when the water is made, it is in the gas form, because when you make that reaction, it's actually highly exothermic. It goes kapoom. It doesn't make liquid water, it makes water vapor, it makes steam. And so that's what that is. The second reaction here didn't quite fit on one line. Here we have hydrochloric acid, which is actually dissolved in water, so that's where we get the little AQ. Acids are always AQ whenever they're reacting. Plus sodium hydroxide, also AQ there. Also aqueous. Aqueous is how we pronounce that. When that sodium hydroxide meets the hydrochloric acid, it makes liquid water. That's why we got a little L there. And aqueous sodium chloride. And on the final example, like this is what we saw in our synthesis reaction, magnesium ribbon is solid. In the presence of oxygen burns to make another different solid, magnesium oxide solid. And those are what states mean. Now, what state you should put depends on what's going on. Generally, right now, I'm not asking you to predict what state they'll be in. There are times for that, but for now we just need to recognize them and be able to write them down if we're told.